Hello everyone, welcome to my channel.
So I'm starting off on damp hair. I'm just going to open 2 lines. It's actually really dirty because I had it in Bantu knots for the last 2 weeks. I'm going to go in with some of this gel wax to help define my line. So I just want a curved, thick line here. Some gel. Just a bit, not too much. My hands are dying already. Now I'm just going to do the same on this side. So I went and dampened this part of my hair, and all I'm going to do now is go in with some gel and my wax. I'm just going to section my hair up. I suggest that you work in sections. wax. So just smooth your hair into the direction you want it to lay. I'm going in with some more wax. This looks a bit bulky, but once you wear your doek, everything will just lay flat. So now I'm just going in with some wax and gel. If you want your edges to last longer, you can use Got to Be Glued. Purchase the black one if you have natural hair. So I did the side and the side, and now all I'm going to do is wear my doek, preferably something that's silky or silk like, and then you can wear a cotton one on top of this one and let your hair dry. So this is how the hair looks. I only have gel and wax in my hair. But if you want it to last longer, you can definitely go in with some frizz spray. Using some string to decorate the hair. I purchased this at a stationery shop and it retailed less than £5. And you'll need a crochet hook. This was R9.90, 10 Rand at Cosmetics Zone. This is my first time doing this, so I don't really know how to use this hook. But I think this is how you do it. So you push it out, you push it out, you hook it in, you close and you pull. I hope this is making sense because I'm just winging this. Okay, I'm gonna leave it like this. And then the rest will be wrapped around the ponytail. So for this look, I'll be using the Sublime hair. This is how it looks. I have not used it. It comes like this. So all I'm going to do is attach my own ribbon to it. Something with good elasticity. So I'm just going to attach it on top of that one. So that's the ribbon. You place it underneath, like so, and then that's all you do. If it's too bulky, I'll just, ooh, it's a lot. It's a lot of hair. After attaching the hair, I realized it was just not working out in this state, simply because the ponytail was too high. So I brushed all the strands, and the following clip will explain everything thoroughly. When editing this video, I realized that I actually didn't demonstrate how to mold the hair and tuck it in. So I'm redoing this part just for clarity. So I did comb it on camera in the previous clips, but after taking it out, I realized that it's actually best you comb it before attaching it to your hair. It's just easier that way. So I combed it again, and this is how it looks. I'm just going to attach it. Also, I suggest that if you are going to leave it as is, don't fasten your ponytail this high. Fasten it a bit lower so that the hair is not overwhelming and just, you know. So all we do now is shape and put it into place. Don't worry about the ends. We will clip them off, and some will just be tucked in. So just mold it and shape it to your liking. Also, it states on the pack that you can use water on it and that the curl pattern will not be ruined if you comb through it. So you can brush through it, and once it's dried, everything will be the same. So just take some hair from the back and wrap it around. So you're basically wrapping this around that base you created. And then we can decorate it with the string. So I'm going to take a ribbon and tie it here. You see all of this, you can cut that. I'm just gonna take a ribbon, in fact let me cut it now. So I'm going to cut all of this. You don't even have to really cut it because it's not going to show. You tuck it in, that's the thingy with the ribbon, there it is. You tuck it in. Once you've tucked it in, you take your bobby pin and you attach that part to your own hair. And that's about it. So now you just keep on molding it and shaping it to your liking. Another bobby pin. So the great thing about doing this, attaching it, is that you take it off at night, you don't sleep in it, and the hair lasts longer. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, you can simply leave all of that in the comment section. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.